Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is by a company called ALLWAY, and it is a pro scratcher AWOL tool. This is what it looks like when you open it up. It's got this little protective part here because it's got a sharp little point. So what would you utilize this for? If you like to do a lot of woodworking, you're looking to hang some pictures, you're trying to find where to put that nail, you can utilize this to poke a little hole in drywall or your wood, and then it kind of marks that for you. And it's not like you don't have to pull out a pencil or anything like that. It comes with this little protective top on it, so that way you don't accidentally poke yourself when you are putting it in your pocket or your tool bag. As far as the size here, this thing is 8.5 inches in length. And the handle itself is 4 inches. It's very comfortable to hold. It has a nice little rubber grip here, so it doesn't slide out of your hands or anything like that. It doesn't leave your hands all sweaty. You can also utilize this thing as an ice pick if you need. So if you're doing something and you're got ice somewhere, you can use this to break up ice because of the sharp point at the end. Just so you know, this is very, very sharp, so be careful with it. But overall, it's all made out of carbon steel, so it's not going to bend or break on you. It's very, very useful, and I do recommend having one around the house. I use it all the time for when I'm hanging pictures and kind of finding those little screw nail spots instead of pencils and just not standing out. It's just easier to poke a little hole. And so for that reason, I do totally recommend it. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.